Welcome to Future Doctor NEET Academy for the problem solving session in NEET Physics. Topic today chosen is from Chapter 2, Motion in a Straight Line. But today is not a problem solving session, it's a problem questionnaire session. That is, 7 questions will be given, that is floated in a YouTube, and next session we are going to solve the problem for these questions. Let's move to first question. Question number 1. A person traveling in a straight line moves with a constant velocity v1 for certain distance x and with a constant velocity v2 for next equal distance. The average velocity v is given by the relation dash a 1 by v equal to 1 by v1 plus 1 by v2, b 2 by v equal to 1 by v1 plus 1 by v2, c v by 2 equal to v1 plus v2 by 2, d v equal to square root of v1 plus v2. By knowing the formula of average velocity and having the knowledge of average velocity, you are able to find the solution for this question. Let's move to question number 2. Preeti reached the metro station and found that the escalator was not working. She walked up the stationary escalator in time t1. On other days, if she remains stationary on the moving escalator, then the escalator takes up in time t2. The time taken by her to walk upon the moving escalator will be dash. Option A, t1 plus t2 by 2. B, t1 into t2 divided by t1 minus t2. C, t1 into t2 divided by t1 plus t2. D, t1 minus t2. So by knowing the value for t, t1, t2 and the relative velocity like that, you are able to find the answer for this question. Let's move to question number 3. The motion of a particle along a straight line is described by equation x equal to 8 plus 12t minus t cube, where x is in meter and t in second. The retardation of the particle when its velocity becomes 0 is dash. A, 24 meter per second square. B, 0. C, 6 meter per second square. D, 12 meter per second square. Here you want to find the retardation of the particle when velocity becomes 0. Here x value is given in terms of t. So you should find the differentiation like that. That is a relation between x, that is a position x with respect to velocity and acceleration. You are able to find the answer for this question. Let's move to question number 4. A particle moves a distance x in time t according to the equation x equal to t plus 5 whole power minus 1. The acceleration of particle is proportional to dash. Velocity power 3 by 2. Velocity power 2. Velocity power minus 2. Velocity power 2 by 3. So here acceleration with respect to velocity you want to find using the given data as x equal to t plus 5 whole power minus 1. Let's move to question number 5. The displacement x of a particle varies with time t as x equal to a into e power minus alpha t plus b power beta t. Here alpha, beta, a, b are positive constants. Velocity of the particle will dash. A, decrease with time. B, independent of alpha and beta. C, drop to 0 when alpha equal to beta. D, increase with time. So using the given data x value, you should find velocity. So knowing the relation of velocity with x, you are able to find the answer. Let's move to question number 6. A ball is thrown vertically downward with velocity of 20 meter per second from the top of a tower. It hits the ground after some time with a velocity of 80 meter per second. The height of the tower is dash. Given g equal to 10 meter per second square. Option A 340 meter. Option B 320 meter. C option 300 meter. Last option 360 meter. So height of the tower you have to find by knowing the knowledge about the equation of motion. How many equations of motions are there? 4 equations of motion. By having the knowledge about the equation of motion, you are able to solve the solution for this question. Let's move to last question. The displacement time graph of moving particle is shown below. The instantaneous velocity of the particle is negative at which point? Option A, point D. B option, point F. C option, point C. Last option, point E. So you should find the instantaneous velocity from the and which of the particle is negative. That is, by knowing the knowledge about the slope of the curve, you are able to find the answer for this. Okay. So in next session, we are going to solve the solution for this question. Before that, you try to solve and be ready and join with that session. Okay. Thank you. Thank you, students.